Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can record work calls on WhatsApp. So first of all, we are going to use the OBS Studio desktop. So download this one first. And after this installation, we need to set up the OBS Studio to record WhatsApp calls. So first of all, we will go to settings. Then we will head off to audio and video section where we will be able to check if the settings are correct and make sure the resolution is high. After that, open your WhatsApp, select the person that you want to call, and hit the audio button. Now you will be able to hear the audio recording in the
हेलो
background.
हेलो आवाज़ आ रही है मेरी? हाँ हाँ
You can see the audio has been recorded successfully. So that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.